Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to see your Spotify 2022 in your account. So first of all, make sure that you have already downloaded the application by just clicking on App Store from here, and then connect your account and just download Spotify like any other program just by clicking in the search button and writing Spotify like so. Spotify, and just like that you can click and download the app, and just like so you can open the app and you will find the wrap just down below of your top menu of the good evening. As you can see here, it is right here, the Spotify wrapped. If it doesn't show up for you, you can delete the app like so and re-download it. And if it still doesn't work for you, you can go ahead and go to your settings, and from here we can go ahead to your general, and then to your iPhone storage, and you will wait a couple seconds. I have already opened my iPhone storage before, that's why it's really fast now, but if you didn't, it will take like a couple minutes to open. So now let's go ahead and search for Spotify, and from here we will delete the app from here or offload the app. Basically what offload the app means, it will delete all the files about the app from your storage and will keep only the app itself. So they will remove every data you have in your account, even your account password or email. They will remove everything, but they will keep the app itself. So after you do so, you can just go ahead and open the application again, connect your account, and after doing so, like, make sure that your account again is updated, and then you will find your Spotify wrap just under the first menu. And yeah, that's it for today guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and thank you for watching. And if you have any question, please leave them down below, and yeah, see ya in the next tutorial. Bye bye.